When you create a PayPal account, one of the first things you need to do is verify your account. The process is important because it proves that you own the financial details linked to your account, such as your bank account or card. PayPal only asks for essential information when you sign up, but as you continue to use the service, they are legally required to confirm more details about you. To verify your account, you can either add a bank account or debit or credit card. When you go to your PayPal account and open the wallet section, you will see the option to link a bank or a card. If you choose to add a card, you can simply enter your debit or credit card details. If you prefer to link a bank account, PayPal may send a small deposit to your account. This deposit will include a unique code which you will need to enter back into PayPal to confirm ownership. Once this step is complete, the initial verification is done and the basic limitation on your account, such as how much money you can send and receive, will be lifted. In some cases, PayPal may ask you to provide additional documents for further verification. This may include a copy of your passport or driver's license, a utility bill, or a bank statement. This is not usually required immediately, but PayPal may request it later as you continue to use your account. If you want to provide these documents early, you can do so by going into the account setting where you will find the options to upload identification documents. Verifying your PayPal account not only secure your account but also ensure you can fully use all of the PayPal features without restrictions.